You will hear a number of different recordings, and you will have to answer questions based on what you hear. There will be time for you to read the instructions and questions, and you will have a chance to check your work. All the recordings will be played once only. The test is in 4 sections. At the end of the test, you will be given 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. Now turn to Section 1. Section 1. You will hear a conversation between a clerk at the help desk of a transport and travel agency and a woman who is asking for travel information. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5. You will see that there is an example that has been done for you. On this occasion only, the conversation relating to this will be played first.
Good morning.
Good morning, madam. How can I help you?
Well, I'd like to get to Camden Town from Highgate Village tomorrow before 10 a.m.
Did you say Highgate Park or Highgate Village?
I said Highgate Village from Camden Town.
You sure?
Yes, I should know where I'm going.
Right. So Highgate Village from Camden Town.
No, sorry. I should have said Camden Town from Highgate Village.
Well, that's what I thought you said. And how are you planning to get there, by bus or train?
The woman wants to go to Camden Town, so Camden Town has been written in the space. Now we shall begin. You should answer the questions as you listen, because you will not hear the recording a second time. Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 5.
Good morning.
Good morning, madam. How can I help you?
Well, I'd like to get to Camden Town from Highgate Village tomorrow before 10 a.m.
Did you say Highgate Park or Highgate Village?
I said Highgate Village from Camden Town.
You sure?
Yes, I should know where I'm going.
Right. So Highgate Village from Camden Town.
No, sorry. I should have said Camden Town from Highgate Village.
Well, that's what I thought you said. And how are you planning to get there, by bus or train?
Oh, it doesn't bother me which way I travel, as long as I get there sooner rather than later.
Well, if you take a fast train, you'll get there in under an hour. Now, there's a King's Cross Express train leaving the station at 8:30 from platform 9. How does that sound?
Great. Which station does that leave from?
King's Cross. It's the railway station nearest to you.
Did you say King's Crossed?
No, King's Cross. That's C-R-O-S-S. Are you not from round here?
No, it's my first time in England, I'm afraid. So, could you point out the best way to get to King's Cross Station?
Yes, of course I could. Just give me a second to look it up. Right, well, it looks like you have 2 options. You could take the 999 bus from the Highgate Village Central Square to Gower Street Underground Station. At Gower Street, take a train to King's Cross. Alternatively, you could walk to Gower Street and get straight on the train going to King's Cross. Go to platform 6 on the Northern Line.
How long would the walk take?
About half an hour or so.
Oh no, that's too long. I don't want to be walking around streets I don't know for half an hour.
Actually, the walk there is not complicated. Just go down Holloway Road until you come across Gower Street. The road, not the station, on your right. The station is about 5 minutes walk up the road on your left.
That does sound easy. It'll be better for me to get some exercise as well. What time do I catch the tube?
There are trains every 5 minutes, so it doesn't really matter what time you get there from that point of view. However, it might be very busy at that time in the morning, so you may want to get there early just in case. Sometimes the trains are too full to take everyone waiting on the platform. If I were you, I'd get there for 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. OK. Well, thank you very much. You've been most helpful.
Before listening to the rest of the conversation, you have some time to look at questions 6 to 10. Now listen and answer questions 6 to 10.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can do for you?
Actually, yes. How much will it cost me?
Well, you can get a ticket on the bus for £2 and you'll need £11 each way for the train. Unless, that is, you have an international student travel card.
No, I haven't, but I can probably get one before tomorrow.
Well, that's good, because that will cut the cost of travelling right down. The bus will cost £1.40 each way, and the train to Camden Town... Actually, I'm sorry, I was mistaken. There's no discount offered when travelling during morning peak time, so I'm afraid it will still cost you £11. But you'll probably want to return after peak hours, won't you? So your return train ticket might cost you considerably less.
What are off-peak hours then?
Either before 5 o'clock in the afternoon or after 8 o'clock in the evening.
Oh, good. I've no intention of coming back until long after 9, so that'll work out nicely. So, what discount will I get?
Well, your return train journey would only cost you £6.05 with your card. But do make sure you don't forget to buy an international student travel card before 7 a.m. tomorrow.
Oh, I won't forget. In fact, I'll get one today as soon as possible.
Good for you. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Actually, there is. Do you know if I can use my international student card on boats?
Well, if you're thinking of the regular Thames boats that go back and forth between the East and West Bank, then the answer is yes. But you can't use it on the tourist ferries linking the North and South Banks, I'm afraid. A one-way trip east or west of the Thames costs £6. But with your card, you'd make a 20% saving and pay only £4.80.
So, £4.80 for the regular ferry. Do the ferries linking the North and South Banks offer sightseeing tours?
Yes, but like I said, there's no discount offered on those. And you can only book using cash or credit card. But I can't book them for you. We don't work with them.
Oh, I see. You wouldn't happen to know the cost of a tour by any chance, would you?
Well, in actual fact, I do, because I took my girlfriend on the trip 3 weeks ago. We bought the half-day tour, and that was £45 each. But I'm told that you can do the whole day for £75.
Well, thank you again. You really have been most helpful.
Don't mention it. Have a nice day now.
That's the end of section 1. You have half a minute to check your answers.